Hello everybody, my name is Arjun Das. I am working as an Odoo technical consultant at Apache Solutions. So in this video, we are going to see how to create a custom meshes inside our graph view. Okay, so if you see inside the graph view, we have several different meshes, days to assign, days to close and everything. So we are going to add a separate custom meshes for our need. Okay. So here I have already created some records in our CRM. So there are total 4 records. So we are going to create a priority score to add in the measures. Okay. So first of all, we will create a new module. Okay. So let's create a new module. Let's add a manifest file. And inside here, I have already written the code for that. Let's take it. So we gave the name of the module as CRM, priority graph view, and the version, summary, then the category in which this module should be added. And here we have inherited the CRM add-on. Okay. And let's comment it for now. Then installer is true, auto install false, application is false. Okay, because this is only a minor change or a small change, so that's why we created or we gave the parameter value of application as false. Okay, so let's create a for models. Then let's create a init file inside it. Okay, so manifest is completed. Just close that. Then we can add a Python file name crm lead. Okay, so then we can import our models. So from Odoo, import models, fields, and API. Okay, so then we can give the name CRM lead. Okay, so we can give it as caps in here, model. Okay, then we will inherit our CRM model crm.lead. Okay, so if we change this to debug mode, we can get the model name here, model crm.lead. That model name I have inherited here. Okay, so I have the codes for the priority score. Let's copy this for now. I will explain the need and the details in a second. Let me add this code. Okay, so if you see, we have created a new field called priority score. Okay, this is a float field and we gave the string as priority score, and we just giving a help parameter like its internal priority score. And here we also need to give a compute function or compute parameter. Okay, so for that I am copying this function name and pasting it here. Okay, and here what we are doing is that we are computing the priority score, okay, of the CRM. So if you see here, we have different CRM records and we need to know which is more prioritized. Okay, which of the record is more prioritized. That is calculated by the expected deadline we have here, expected closing and the expected revenue. we are doing a calculation with both of that in here, this function, and that will compute the priority score and store it inside our field priority score. Okay, so I think now we can add the view. For adding the view, I need to create a new folder for views, and we will give the name as CRM graph view. CRM graph view dot XML. Okay, so we have created a new view, and we will give the XML encoding Odoo. Okay, and we have code here. Let me copy this. I will explain the code within a second. Okay, so here we have gave uh, a name, a ID for our record, and this is the name of the view, and this is the model in which we are giving this view. Okay, and here we are giving a tag, graph tag, which means this will work inside the model as a graph. Okay, as a graph view, and this is our custom field which we have added as type measure. Okay, these are the other types which we have in the rows, which we have in the graphs, which are row and column. Okay, so I think it is done. We need to come and comment this line. So yeah, I think we can run this code, or we will reload the server and see what's happening. Okay, so we will go back to apps and search for priority. Yeah, we have our custom module in our app list. We will activate this. Okay, we have some error. Priority score does not exist in the model crm.lead. Let's see what happened. We have inherited crm.lead, and we have gave the name as priority score. Okay, this happened because we didn't import it here. Okay, so from dot import crm lead. Okay, so that's done, and here we need to give from dot import models. Okay, so let's restart the server again, and we close this, reload the browser, and we will search again priority. We will try to activate. Okay, we have another error. Okay, so here I have added it, should be capital. Okay, let's reload, activate. Yes, now our custom add-on is activated in our system. So let's go to CRM and change our view to the graph view. Okay, and here we will click on the priority score, so we can see the priority score is activated, and you can see it has 35.92k, and the priority score for this one is 12.50k, and the priority score for new is 12k. So let's see how it is working, or let's see how can we change the priority score. Okay, for that I will change the date to 7, save it. We will go back and click on the graph view and change the measures to priority score. So now if you see, the priority has changed, means it is lessened. it decreased to 21.67k. Okay, so which means this is calculated regarding this expected closing and the expected revenue. Okay, that is a function which we have written here. So these two values computes the priority score and give the score to this field, which we inherit or which we take inside our view to check what is the priority score. Okay, or based upon the priority score, how the records are being shown in the graph view. Okay, so this is a basic video to know how to import or how to custom modify the graph view inside the CRM. Okay, so if you have any doubts or if you have any doubts regarding this video or adding the changes to the CRM, you can contact us on the contact details which we have given inside the description. Okay, thanks for watching the video and have a good day. Okay, bye.